Today I'm going to talk about my week 5 assignment. So as usual, I'll just scroll very slowly about my previous code and we will start at question number 41. Okay, and let me show you the results. Okay, let's start at question 40 first. So I use the scanner to scan my input number of lists, and then I define two variables. One is called max, and one is the count. And this would be useful to save values when loop is processing each time. And I use while loop and set number list not equal to 0 because 0 means an end. In while loop, I use if statement to determine whether each number I input is greater than the former one or not. If so, I would save it into max and reset the count to 1 since I found a new max number. When I miss the same number again, I'll use the count equals to counts plus 1 to record the counts. And for question number 49, basically it's the same thing. I established two variables, one is while count and one is constant count to save the previous count. I use a for loop and set the loop time less than the sentence length to get every character in the string. I use if statement to find whether the character is a vowel or not. I also exclude the space here, so it won't be counted as a constant. And for question 50 first, I have my scanner to scan the two sentences here and save it into variables, sentence 1 and sentence 2. I first compare the length of these two sentences to find out the smaller one and save it into the final length variable. This is to avoid the loop to go out of the length range of the sentence. Then I define a string builder called result. In the for loop, I let the index less than the shorter length of the two sentences and use the substring function to cut the sentence into the desired length. Because we know that the prefix should not be longer than the shorter sentence. And so the part of longer sentence exceeds the length of the shorter sentence is not needed. Like here. Then I compared each character of the sentence to see if they are same or not. I save the string builder's result in string now, and if the length of now is equal to 0, which means there's no same character to save. There's no common prefix for two sentences. I also get rid of the circumstance using this sentence that that only characters in the middle of the sentence is common in two sentences. And so otherwise I'll just print out the common prefix like this. Let me show you the results here. And thank you.